Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know guys, it has been such a long time that I haven't updated any long content on my YouTube channel. That's why I'm here today to update my whole makeup tutorial, which I would say quite natural but not too simple, and I promise it won't be too hard to follow by. Along our tutorial, I'll be updating new things that I'm currently doing during my university holiday, which will be over in less than 1 month. I'm turning senior this year, guys. As you may observe that my right cheeks looks a little bit swollen because I've just gone through wisdom tooth extraction. Not really extraction, it's surgery. It's been so painful, but right now I'm getting better. I'm totally fine and super ready to share this tutorial with you guys. Let's get started. Okay, so to start off, I've already put on some bases, not really foundation, just a cushion, and of course sunscreen. I have no specific look, and the name of the look today, lazy makeup of mine that I left to do recently. The first item is cream blush. I'll be applying it almost all over my face with this sponge. รู้สึกว่าไม่ได้ลงคลิปมานานมากโดยเฉพาะคอนเทนต์แต่งหน้าอะไรอย่างงี้ใช่ไหมแล้วก็คนที่เปลี่ยนสไตล์การแต่งหน้าบ่อยมากๆทุกเดือนหรืออะไรเงี้ยเปลี่ยนไปตามไอเทมที่ชอบใช้ด้วยสภาพอากาศด้วยก็เลยถือโอกาสมาอัปเดตกับทุกคนกันจะลงไป on my eyelids, cheeks, nose, and the top of my lip a little bit. This look could be a little bit rough. I'm not so sure. I'll be spending lots of times on eyes makeup, so I'll be updating everything about my life recently to you guys along the way, because I know that we haven't been catching up for a while. Cheek part is done, so let's move quickly into eyes makeup because it's the part that takes time the most if you ask me. I'll be using the biggest brush for the lightest color as a base all over my eyelids. As you may know that I'm capable of 4 languages, including Thai and English, of course. Now, apart from Korean and Japanese, I'm trying learning Chinese as well. As I mentioned that I have done so when I was a elementary school student, but I can't remember much, so I have to retrieve everything starting from pinning basic vocabularies, and now I'm stepping up to basic grammars. Chinese is really challenging for me. 汉语很难，对不对？ Correct? I'm not sure. We're moving on to the darker color just to accentuate the lower part of the eyes. Here's out a little bit as well. Next is light brown for only lower part. The darkest shade for the inliner for my lower eyelids. But be careful with this procedure because it may cause your eyes to look too dark. Seems like you lack of sleep if you don't apply it properly. Trust me, I've been there before. Now I'm using the flat brush with brown colors, just mixing both of them or what color you would like to guide the lines for eyeliner. Liner times. Right now I'm currently into gel liner in form of, I'm not sure, a pencil. It's much more natural and easier to control. I'm gonna speak less when drawing liners because I haven't mastered it yet. Now we are almost done with eye wax, only mascara and Yggdrasil or Jolly Eye left. But for my laziness, I'm gonna use the residue of the flat brush to accentuate my brows. I'm too lazy to even pick up a piece of brow pencil and draw it properly. Forgive me for that. Randomly draw it according to the original shape of my brow. But if you want it to be more refined, you can use powder that is made for brows. These are fine to me. I'm gonna move on to mascara. Currently, I'm really into brown mascara. It's much more natural and I don't feel accentuating my lashes too much. The only problem with it is that when I take photos, my lashes won't stand out. It didn't look like I've done makeup much. The lashes didn't stand out. Now during my uni holiday, it's been almost 2 months and I'm starting the new semester. I'm gonna be so excited but a bit disheartened as well. Graduate and fully grow up as an adult. Please pray for me. I really currently enjoy cooking so much that I barely go outside and have any meals. The secret for applying mascara is to lightly apply your lower lashes as well. It makes you look much fuller. Before moving on to the ego cell, let's just move back to cheeks. Complete the part with the powder one. I mainly use sponge as a tool. First of all, I'm lazy. Secondly, I think the pigment is much more defined. Be careful with the weight on your hand when applying it. Next is at yourself lightly. So I'm trying to think of updates that I may fail. I just can't think of it because I'm quite active on social media, sharing every single meals I cook, cakes that I hang out, of course, with my mom, with you guys. Top it up with light shades and the shimmer one a little bit more. Eyes are the most essential part of the makeup. Adapt it to your facial features, what you would like to accentuate on that look. Now we have come to the last part, lipstick. I'm gonna apply base one, sometimes nude pink, sometimes a little hint of orange. Now it has been such a long time that I haven't updated any products that I currently have. I've bought like bunches of lipstick recently. I'm really into nudes and orangey shades. If you really want me to share with you guys, just let me know on the comments down below. The color I choose today is pink one with a hint of orange. This is my most recent one. Gonna see the color. I think I'm gonna find out some colored glass.
A few moments later.
These bunches of gloss, going for this one, to make the shade of my lips a little bit darker. Sorry guys, I forgot to apply some powder. I left the translucent one, not too thick, just to give a little bit of velvet texture. Yay, and I've just get my hair tied properly. That should be all of the total look. Hope you guys love it, and should you have any questions or requests, just feel free to type down below in the comment section. I will always be reading the comments. All of your encouragement are appreciated. In the meantime, I will be updating much during the start of the semester. Let's say there's something to be filmed and some project to be done as well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to keep in touch on Instagram, X, TikTok, and also my broadcast. I'm updating on those platforms quite frequent. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for being with me today, you guys. I miss you guys so much. Bye bye.